Stop, do not comment. I start off all of my giveaway videos by saying this specifically. Why? Because much like every other giveaway, this one has very specific rules. And I'm just telling you not to comment yet, so that you can learn the rules first before you get yourself accidentally disqualified and banned from all future giveaways by commenting the wrong thing, by not listening. So please stick around and listen. First things first, yes, hello, I am giving away a gaming PC. I give away one PC every month, usually. How do I give that PC away? Well, boom. This, in front of you, is my YouTube ad revenue and Twitch.tv revenue for last month, also known as November. So yes, that is how much I made last month, and I get paid that money this month, and I use that money to pay for this month's gaming PC or gaming laptop giveaway. We'll talk about that in a minute. But yes, that is how I pay for the giveaway. I do one every month, paying for it with that revenue. Here's what I'm going to say. First things first, if you don't have time to watch this entire video, whatever the length may be if you see on the timeline, go ahead and leave and come back either when you do have time, or if you just straight up don't want to watch this entire video, goodbye, I'll see you never, because I don't have time to give you a PC if you don't have time to watch one singular video. Sorry, don't really care. Call me mean, I'm just being honest. I need to make that money every month. A lot of the revenue, at least a third of the YouTube revenue from every month that pays for the giveaway comes from this exact video. So I definitely need people to stick around and watch, and if you don't have time to watch, again, I don't have time to give you a computer. One thing I forgot to mention, guys, you'll notice that this video is likely, depending on if YouTube is annoying or not, loaded with ads. Yes, I load this video with ads because it needs to pay for my giveaway. I highly just beg you to watch one ad, or two, turn off your ad blocker, watch an ad, turn it back on. That's it. Again, this video just helps me pay for the giveaway, so if you could do that for me, that'd be awesome. That's the only reason it's loaded with ads, is to help pay for these giveaways. If not, don't worry about it. I'm not going to force you. I can't force you to watch ads. It's just my humble request to you. But that's fine. Back to the video. But if you're here, let's get into the actual giveaway. First things first, yes, it is international, worldwide, whatever you want to call it. If you can watch this video, you can win. Now, if your country is at a location in which A, it is illegal for me to ship to you, or B, I am unable to ship the PC due to prices or the fact that the laptop that I may be giving away in this video has a battery in it and may not be able to fly, I will simply give that person $500 in the form of some kind of gift card of their choice. So that is my promise to you guys. If you cannot receive the PC for any reason, because I know it's a big question, you will get $500. So don't worry, you can definitely win something. And now, don't go in the comment section asking about every single country on the planet. We will cross that bridge when we get to it. So, into the rules of this actual giveaway. If you don't know, if you haven't been here before, I use what's called an entry-based system, meaning that while it is completely random, meaning I put in all the people and the amount of entries they have into a completely random giveaway bot, and then draws the winner for me, and it is completely random, you can get a better chance of winning by having more entries. Now, how do you get entries? Well, there's a couple of ways. First things first, to make sure you get your baseline one entry, entrance into the giveaway, through the gates to get more, you must be subscribed. And now, how do I know if you're subscribed? You're right, I can't see if everyone's subscribed. But the best way for me to know you're subscribed, well, when someone is subscribed to my channel, they get this little red circle next to their name in my comments when I read my comments. Now, sadly, it doesn't appear for you guys, which is a little annoying because I wish it did so you could see. But when someone is subbed to my channel, in my comments, I see this little red circle next to their name. You can see the example below. That is how I know if you're subscribed. And now, if you technically have your subscription privated, I don't see that circle. But my suggestion would be to public your subscriptions. You don't really have to. I'm not going to force you for this. But it's just the best way for me to know if you're subscribed, and may cause me to be a little more lenient in my disqualifications if you accidentally break a rule that's not too important. So just keep that in mind. Now, back to the video. Now, obviously, I'm not just going to enter you because you're subscribed, because I wouldn't have any way of seeing that red circle unless you comment. So, you must comment on this video. But if on this video, or any video that I've ever made in my entire life, you comment a sob story, begging, complaining, asking in any way for me to give you something for free, complaining about your current situation, bitching or moaning of any kind, you will not be entered into this giveaway, or any future giveaways. And if you comment in any way, shape, or form, and I'm serious, listen carefully, the word entry or the word done, if your entire comment at all contains one of those words, you will not be entered. I will go through my comment section, I will search entry, and I will search done separately, and it'll show me all comments with the word entry or done, or if that doesn't work, I will control F, because YouTube search works like maybe 10% of the time. So that is my deal to you. If you comment entry or done, if it is in your comment at all, you will not be entered. At all. Even if it's just like in a sentence, no. The reason I do that is because people will click on a video, scroll to the comment section, type entry or done, and then leave. Those people are entirely useless to me. They neither A, gave me watch time, B, watched my video, and C, probably aren't even subscribed. So I have earned zero money off of them. I have gotten no watch time. I have gotten no subscribers. I do not want to give them a computer. They are useless. Period. End of story. I know, I'm mean, I'm terrible. But I have to be direct. I'm sure the smart among you understand why I must do that. So those are my rules for commenting. That's how you get one entry. But here's the thing. Most people entering this giveaway will have like 250 from the start. And you can too. It's really easy. So let's talk about that now. To get at least 250 entries, I think we're almost up to 300 because of the amount of videos on my channel. If you like any one of my videos, you will get an entry. If you like a video, you get an entry. So every video you like, you can get an entry. If you like all the videos, it's like 300. Now, you're probably wondering, how do I know if you've liked the video? You're right. I can't check if you've liked the video. I can only ask politely and tell you I'll give you like 300 entries for doing it. Well, if you go into the links in the description below, all the links for entries will be provided in the description below, you will see a link to a Discord server. That is my server. In the Discord server, when you join, it actually tells you where to go, but you will see a chat on the left side called Entry Chat. That chat is run by multiple people that I pay to help me with these giveaways because, well, it's hard work and they do most of it for me. Yay. If you post a screenshot of you liking a video, aka a screenshot of you, and you see the little, the like sign is blue, then they will reward you one entry in that Discord. One entry. Do that for every video. It's like 300. Of course, we round and stuff to make it easier, so if they see a ton of videos, they'll just give you 300, because that's about how many videos I have on my channel, assuming you've done all of them, which is fine. Now, my suggestion, if you actually want to do this the easiest, go to my channel, click on Play All, go through the playlist, like them, go to your liked videos playlist, which YouTube makes for you, for all your liked videos, take a screenshot of that about 6 times, and that's it. You have 200 to 300, I have to figure out exactly how many it is, permanent entries. Those entries last for every single giveaway that you enter. Easier for us if we don't have to enter hundreds of thousands of liked video entries every single month. Go through my videos and just look how many likes they have. Imagine we had to enter those every single month, and people had to post them every month. It's just so much easier to make them permanent entries for all of my giveaways in the future. So those will be permanent, and that's my suggestion, best way to win. People have won from liking videos for the past couple of months that I've done giveaways. It's really the best way. Hey guys, what's up? Side note that I forgot to mention in this video. YouTube may or may not be changing up their algorithm, so I'm going to test something this month. If, on any video that you like, you comment just anything, even if you don't watch the whole video, why you like the video, which is why you like it, and it's generally speaking about the topic of the video, I will give you 2 permanent entries instead of 1. That counts for everybody. So if you've liked it already, if you go back, you push that screenshot, and you also put a comment saying something like, I like this video because I like graphics cards, whatever the hell. So many people are going to use that now. You will also get an extra entry because I want to test this new algorithm because YouTube, it kind of being YouTube. I can't only say anything because I can't get this video demonetized. I really need it to be monetized. But that's the point. So if you comment on the videos that you like, that's 250 extra entries. Or I think it's 300. I have to start saying 300. I'm so used to 250, but I posted more videos. So that's like 600 entries. Just going to say it right there. Super easy. Back to the video. But there's also some other ways. So that's YouTube out of the way. That's all the YouTube possible entries done. Oh, and one more thing I forgot to mention with those liked videos. If you like any video that I post in December, you will get 5 extra entries for it. Yep, just 5 straight up. Any video that I posted in December of 2020, this December, you will get 5 extra entries because those are my newest videos and those are videos I want to do well. So if you like a video that I uploaded in December, it is worth 5 extra entries. I may post 10 videos, and that's 50 right there. Easy. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. So, that's that out of the way. That's YouTube entries done. But what about the other links in the description below? Well, one of my main money makers, you saw it before, made most of the profit from last month, is twitch.tv/DinkyTheSync, my Twitch channel. That is what drives most of the profit for my giveaways. And if you go to that and you follow, you will get 1 entry. Just automatically. If you go on twitch.tv and you type !entries in the chat, on your account, your Twitch account actually, free to make by the way, it'll actually tell you how many entries you have on Twitch. Yes, Twitch entries, YouTube entries, and Discord are all separate. It doesn't matter if your name is separate between the platforms. You are entered as if you're separate people, your Discord and your Twitch, and then obviously if your Twitch wins, it's the same as if your Discord wins because you're the same person, just so you know. But it'll tell you how many entries you have on Twitch. So once you follow, you'll have 1 every 10 minutes that you are watching my channel on Twitch. So if I go live, I will make a schedule or I will just make a video saying, hey, I'm live on Twitch. If you watch my live stream, every 10 minutes that you are watching, that bot will also give you 2 extra entries, or however many I set it to. It's set to 2 right now because I'm super nice. Also, if you sub with Twitch Prime, donate bits or donations, etc., all that stuff that helps me pay for the giveaway directly, yes, I do give extra entries because you are literally, that's where the profit comes from, you're helping me pay for the giveaway, you will also get extra entries. I believe it's set to 100 for a sub, 120 for 500 bits, and 120 for a $5 donation, same thing, because again, that is directly paying for the giveaway, so I can afford to give away. It's not super, like, overpowered, because again, liking the videos gives you more, so I make it fair in that way. But yes, if you have Twitch Prime and you want to sub, also, for my Twitch Prime subs, one more thing. A member of my Twitch community sent me this. This is a Power Color RX 580 8GB model. He sent this to me to give away. So, for anyone who subs with Twitch Prime or Twitch Tier 1 in any way, shape, or form, this entire month, from November 25th through December 25th, that is the timeline. Nothing before, nothing after will count. You will get entered to win this RX 580 on twitch.tv. So, if you want to enter, you just go to my Twitch, click subscribe after following, and if you have Twitch Prime, it'll be free. If you have to Tier 1, it is $5 technically, but that is how you enter. This is for Twitch subs only, not YouTube subs, Twitch subs, free RX 580 that I'm giving away on Christmas. So, just thought I'd let you guys know if anyone wants to enter that. But that is a way to get a ton of entries. It's just by watching my live streams on Twitch. I'll make a video saying, hey guys, what's up? I'm live on Twitch. Come on over, show up to the live stream, come enjoy, and again, you'll just get free entries. 2 entries every 10 minutes that you are watching. We are using a new system this month, so if you type !entries in twitch.tv in the chat, it'll literally tell you how many entries you have on Twitch only. It won't combine your Discord and Twitch entries, your Twitch entries only. Pay attention. Twitch entries only. I don't want 1,000 people complaining to me. That's so annoying. Now that's Twitch and YouTube entries done. Easy peasy. Finally, there's Twitter. You'll see a link to my Twitter. And why is Twitter important? Well, to be completely honest, I use twitter.com/DinkyTheSync to reach out to brands to get sent free stuff. I have gotten a surprising amount of free stuff from brands on Twitter by just reaching out to them, and they'll send me like, hey, here's our email. We'd be happy to send you an SSD or something like that. I've gotten a good couple $100 worth of free stuff actually from Twitter. So, it works. But the only way companies will actually see my tweets and even respect me in any way is if my tweets have a lot of likes when I reach out to brands to ask for free stuff. So here's the deal. If you like and retweet anything that I tweet on Twitter in the month of December only, I must have tweeted it in December. You'll see a date on top of the tweet, or the bottom, I don't know where it goes. And you post a screenshot of you having liked and retweeted, you must do both or it doesn't count, in the Discord, you will get an extra entry as well. That's just for people who are big Twitter users and want to do that and want to help me get free stuff. That's just because my hope in the future is to have the giveaways basically paid for automatically. That would be amazing. I love that. If I got everything or most of the parts of the giveaway free, I could do extra giveaways. It would be awesome. I could do insane giveaways, but, better than, the normal one. I'm just saying. So if you want to help me, reach out to brands, like and retweet, and I'll also give you an entry for that for the month of December. So if you want to do that, that's just how I get free stuff. This stuff was not free, the stuff you see in front of me. Well, most of it wasn't. That's just helping me out, and you also get an entry. So that's the last thing to get entries. Now, if you've watched this far in the video, congratulations and thank you. You are likely know all the rules and you can enter successfully and get the most entries possible for your time. Now, let's talk about the specs of the PCs. Now, you notice that I, at the beginning of this video, and probably in the title, have mentioned a laptop, and you don't see a laptop here. Well, I did order a laptop, specifically an HP Pavilion gaming laptop with an i5 10th gen, a 1660 Ti, and 16 gigs of RAM. It's actually a pretty good gaming laptop. Sadly, and it also has a 144Hz screen, almost forgot to mention. Sadly, it won't be arriving till December 8th, so I don't have it here yet, so I didn't want to, make a whole video just being like, hey, there's a laptop, I'm gonna promise you, just in case it arrives damaged or something, and I just don't have it in time for the giveaway. So I've created a backup plan if that doesn't arrive, and this gives you a choice now. If you win, you can choose, again, if it arrives safely and in time, the HP Pavilion gaming laptop, which I will make a whole video showing off and everything. Showing off the specs, showing off how good it is for gaming, in which case that'll help you make your decision if you win. And if you just straight up don't want the laptop or it doesn't arrive, this is the PC I will build for you. More specifically, I will likely send it in as small of parts as I can to avoid A, damage, because if I ship it as a fully built PC, it'll likely break in shipping because that's how shipping works. Welcome to USPS. But I will likely ship it in as few parts as I can, so I'll probably put the CPU and cooler on the motherboard, etc., but the coolers look cool, so, get the point. These are the parts I will be sending, though. This is an entire gaming PC. We have an RTX 2060, a liquid-cooled Ryzen 5 3600, a 512GB SSD, this is some small SSD I want to get rid of, so give it away, 500-watt EVGA power supply, a B550 motherboard, I think that's all the parts of a PC. Am I missing something? No. Yes, the case is missing. I will likely just order one on Amazon because I don't want to have to ship it myself. So I'll order one for the person if they win and have it sent to them through Amazon or something like that. I guess that's called drop shipping, I think. I don't know, but I'm paying for it. So that's my point. And of course, I will pay to have the part shipped to you. I will not ask upfront for shipping costs. If any person, whether doing a giveaway or not, asks you for money for shipping, they are lying to you and trying to scam you if they ask you upfront. That's different from asking after you receive the parts. These are the parts. I also have some other parts, and if the winner wins and they're like, I really don't want a 2060, but I kind of want a 3900X, could I replace it? I'm like, sure, why not? So we'll talk, but these are the base parts. If the laptop doesn't arrive, or you don't want the laptop that I plan on giving away this month, these are the parts you will get for PC: a liquid-cooled 3600, a B550 motherboard, an RTX 2060 KO, a 500-watt power supply, and a 512GB NVMe SSD. Oh, I almost forgot RAM. This isn't the RAM, but it'll be 16 gigs or something. This is Trident Z Royal. I have some Ripjaws. Where is it? I have some Ripjaws DDR4. I don't know where it went. I also have this 1TB SSD, which I might put in just because to get rid of it. This is the point. So that's all the giveaway. That's the giveaway. Hope you guys kind of enjoyed this video, and I hope you have entered successfully, because I hope for your success, and I hope you didn't break any rules, because then I hope for your downfall, because I'll be very disappointed in you. Don't forget to enter to win this RX 580 on Twitch. This is a great card. It's like a $200 graphics card, and it'll be like a 1 in 200 chance if you sub, which is actually a really good chance given this is a public giveaway for an RX 580, and possibly a second gaming laptop. We'll talk about that later if I can actually get my hands on it. That's the point. Hope you enjoyed this video. Hope you entered the giveaway. Good luck, guys. I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.